OnDemand is Ohio Supercomputer Center's newest tool for users, providing a one-stop shop for all your high-performance computing needs. In this video, I will give an overview of how to use OnDemand's job management client, which allows users to create, submit, as well as monitor their jobs, all without leaving the ease of their web browser. The job management client is split into two main sections: My Jobs, where you can create, submit, and view your jobs, and Active Jobs, which allows you to monitor your queued and running jobs, as well as check the status of the clusters. Let's first walk through My Jobs. The main page displays information on your jobs that have been created through My Jobs. Jobs submitted through other means, such as through the Unix shell, are not shown. From here you can see whether a job has been submitted, and if so, whether it is currently queued, running, or complete. To view a job script, output, or error log, select the corresponding option from the View drop-down menu. You can also directly navigate to a jobs directory by selecting a job and clicking Job Directory from the Go drop-down menu. The handiest feature of My Jobs is the ability to create and submit jobs. To get to the New Job Creation page, click New Job. Your first step is to choose a name for your job. Next, decide whether to use the Oakley or Glen cluster. Once that is done, you will need to choose what to use as your job's template. The first option will allow you to pick a job previously submitted through My Jobs. The second option allows you to use one of the templates we have created. The third option gives you the ability to use user-created templates for which you know the directory. Once you have found your pick, select it and click Copy to make a duplicate for you to use. To customize the template for your needs, double-click the script in the center window and make changes in the right-hand box. As an example, I set this job to echo Hello World from each of its processors. Once this is done, you can click Save to save the job for later, Submit to go ahead and add the job to the queue, or Cancel to scrap it. If you've previously saved a job, you can submit it by selecting the job and clicking Submit Job from the My Jobs main page. Let's look at the Active Job client next. Through Active Jobs, you can examine your running jobs regardless of how they were submitted. You can also check the status of Oakley, Glen, and your home directory's file server to get a rough idea of the current system load. To check the status of a currently running job, select the job and click Job Status. From here, you'll be able to check if your job is running well in parallel, if it is swapping, how many processors it is using, and so on. It is important to note that if your job did not request whole nodes, these statistics will reflect other jobs on the node as well. To check the status of Oakley, Glen, or your home directory file server, simply click the corresponding tab. All three will give an identical interface, allowing you to see CPU and memory usage, as well as processor utilization and network statistics. Although these graphs allow you to give a rough idea of this current system load, they should be taken with a grain of salt. Just because the CPU graph shows not all of a cluster's cores are being used currently does not mean your job will be scheduled immediately. Many factors play into how the system schedules jobs.